Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I've got something for you a little bit different for you today. The fantastic folks at Online Makeup Academy reached out to me, asked if I could, take one of their classes. I'll let you know what I thought. So that's what we are doing in today's video. It is a sponsored video, but as always, I always give you my honest review of it. The Online Makeup Academy is based out of New York, but one of the really cool things that I love about it is obviously in the name, it is online, and it's all a self-paced course. So take it at your own time. More time this week, jump into more of it. You don't have enough bunch of time next week, don't worry about it. Something comes up, that you can't dive in as much, then just get back to it when you can. So I absolutely love that it's all self-paced, and it'll give you percentage mark that you're going through the course. There's different videos. Some of them are 3 minutes, some of them are longer, like more than an hour. And when you pause the video and go do something else, you automatically come back to right to where you left off. Now it is individualized, meaning that the instructor will send you an introductory video, and I'll put a little bit of that in now.
Hey Christina, welcome to Online Makeup Academy. My name is Alona and I'm a tutor here. So I'll be seeing your work, your progress, and giving you tips on how you can improve. I'm super excited for you, Christina, to be on this journey, and I can't wait to see your work. Bye for now.
She says my name, she reaches out, and I kind of emailed back to her, and we were emailing back and forth just a little bit, and that really meant a lot to me that somebody would do that, that you're not sitting in front of this big class where you can't really see what's going on, and you don't get that individual feedback. Speaking of feedback, they do have homework assignments. Now this look here is from their natural makeup application tutorial that I did, and what you'll do is you'll take a before where you don't have any makeup on, and then you'll take an after finished product, send that in, and the instructor will get back to you personally. And they'll let you know, what you did great, what are things that looked really, really good, what are things that are maybe you need to work on a little bit. Some constructive criticism never hurt anybody. Now the course is designed for people who want to become a makeup artist, and at the end of it you actually get a certificate in your makeup artistry, which I absolutely love. Or if you're like me, who I don't really do makeup on other people, but I really, really love makeup. I have this YouTube channel where I talk to you guys all about different beauty items. So it really helps me out, really takes me back to the beginning. So a little background is I am turning the big 50 this year. I graduated high school in '92, so there was no internet back then, and I didn't have an older sister or anything like that to teach me, so I just kind of learned along the ways. But this will take you back and kind of break everything down for you. I love that there's a ton of instruction on how to keep all of your items sanitized and clean, and especially if you are building a kit and wanting to work with other people, how to present yourself professionally and how to maintain everything with a very clean and sanitized look. Before I forget, I do have a discount code for you guys for $100 off. $100 off of your program. That's in the description box down below, as well as a link to the Online Makeup Academy as well. So I am taking the Master Makeup Artist Program at level number 1, and I love that they talk about different face shapes, different eye shapes. Nobody has the same thing, and what you do for this person is going to be different than what you do for this person. This person might have a different skin concern. This one might be more oily. This one might be more dry. This one, as I'm getting, might be more mature. There's different things that you need to do for the different types of skin, as well as the skin prep for that, so that the makeup comes out pristine. Also in the class that I'm taking right now, like I said, this is the natural look that I created following their tutorial. They also have the glamour look. They have a bridal look. They have working with men, working with children, working with mature skin tones. They also tell you things like, okay, this is what you need to do if it's a natural light setting. This is what you would do more if it was TV or movies. They even at the end give you kind of like a sneak peek towards a special effects makeup. And even if it's like, okay, what do you do with like these dry chapped lips that you have going on, let you know what you need to do to help fix that. And then they also give you a sneak peek to the hairstyling course as well. Like I said, this is a level 1, but really quick, the other courses that they do have are, so the level 2 is more advanced. It's more about taking, if you really want to become that makeup artist, taking it to that next level. This level 1 that I'm doing right now is more for beginners. It's more for if you want to, you know, let your inner artistry shine through if you're just doing it for yourself. Or if you are starting to build a business, what are those first steps that you need to do? Now that level 2 is the more advanced one. It's more high fashion, it's more editorial, it's more building up your business, building up your profession, and what you need to do to book these different contacts. They do have a kit that has over $700 worth of stuff in it, and there's amazing high ends in there, like Ink That, Makeup Forever, and the Makeup Forever, really good. I've used those before, so really good. They have the Elite Career Path where it combines everything from level 1 and everything from level 2 and the kit and put it all into one for you. And then they've got their special effects course, their hairstyling course where you even get a mannequin. Pretty cool. Once you have actually finished the course, don't think that they're done with you. Like you're done. But you can always go back to the course. You can always go back and learn more. You can always go back and ask your instructor questions. They're always there for you. I absolutely love that. It is for your lifetime. And then also when you do get your certificate, they also give you a pro card where it gives you 40% off of some high-end brands that you guys are probably already using, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Inglot, Beauty Blender, NYX, Temdu, and a bunch more. So right there, that saves you a ton of money. I feel like I've already learned a bunch from this course. I'm not completely all the way through it yet. And I really like what I'm learning. I really like that they take it down to the basics and then they kind of build up from there, you know, learning about the different eye shapes. What do I need to do? I have more of the hooded eyes. I have more of the deep set eyes, you know, trying to combine the two. And just how do I increase my knowledge of makeup? Because I am in the beauty industry and it's getting more crowded. There's more people doing it. How do I set myself apart from everybody else? And then also, I like to go sometimes probably too crazy with the lots of shimmers and stuff, and you know, toning it back down to more of a natural look. So I absolutely loved it. I would highly recommend it. I think that it's a great tool. I love that it's got the self-paced, that you do get that feedback from your instructors, and I'm learning a ton, and we should always be growing and learning new things. So thank you so much to the Online Makeup Academy for reaching out. I'm really enjoying the class. I absolutely love it. I'm learning a ton, and I think it'd be really good for anybody out there. If you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Let me know how you guys are doing, and I will see you soon. Bye.